Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Trio Techies. My name is Ankur and in today's video I am going to show you how can you switch to dark mode in YouTube. So friends, if you want to give some relaxation to your eyes and you want to switch from this lighter mode of YouTube to a darker mode, there is an option in the settings. How can you do that? Let me show you how. So in order to switch to dark mode, you need to open your YouTube app. Once you open your YouTube app, towards the top right corner where you will see your profile picture, you need to click on that icon. Once you click on that, if you scroll down here, you will see an option for settings. Click on settings. Under settings, you need to click the first one, which is general, and inside general, if you see, there is an option for appearance. You need to click on appearance. Once you do that, in the appearance, you have three options available: use device theme, light theme, and the dark theme. Now, in order to give some relaxation to your eyes, you should select dark theme. As soon as you do that, your YouTube will be switched to a dark mode. So this is how you can switch to dark mode in YouTube. If you have any queries, do let us know in the comment section. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, then please go ahead and like the video, subscribe to our channel if you haven't subscribed yet, and let us know in the comment section if you have any queries. That's it for today's video, and I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Goodbye.